Frustrated with the libobjc-3.dll pop-up blocking your desktop software? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we get started with libobjc-3, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the libobjc-3, version 3 of the Objective-C Runtime. It provides the unmanaged execution engine for Objective-C code, managing the dynamic data link between method calls and memory manifests. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. It's important to note that libobjc-3.dll is installed as part of your desktop software and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of your desktop software from the official source will restore the correct version of libobjc-3 to your PC. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing libobjc-3 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Installing an unverified version of libobjc-3.dll is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for libobjc-3. If your workstation is back online and libobjc-3 is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.